about to hop on the subway. Got some returns, but I'm also going to do some shopping, get some new stuff for the styling this week. I'm going to take you all with me though, show you what Soho is all about. For those of you who are local to Soho, we're going to give you a little mini tour. Hot and sticky in the city, let me tell you. This humidity really is something that you feel out here. Makes you tired, makes walking feel like it's exhausting. But we're out here. Bringing out the Hypebae Leon doors today, 550s. They seemed a bit lonely, so I wanted to, give them a little adventure. Spice that, bring them out into the city life. So let's continue on this venture as we go figure out where we're gonna shop. Just so you guys know, Soho is one of the best places to shop in New York. And I want to find some different pieces. One of my biggest pet peeves, just so you guys know, is actually people who think they're styling when they change up a t-shirt in different colors. Rule number one, as I know from e-com modeling, typically you'll take one static image, maybe in a t-shirt, but second option is always to style that tee in a different way. And you can't really style a tee in a different way unless you're actually styling it. Accessories like a light necklace, maybe a belt, switching up your socks, jacket, layering it, showing t-shirts in different colors. It's not styling. You're doing a great job though matching the shoe color to color, I'll give you that, but styling isn't a matching game. What tees can I match my sneakers with? No. You gotta add some extra something. You gotta give it life. And that's what we're doing out here in New York today. About to give these sneakers some life. Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the women's exclusive Nike Dunk Low in this beautiful laser orange colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Also, feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out our membership tiers. We got some great perks on there, so be sure to hit that join button to check those out, as well as an amazing merch store. We've got some great shagging items on there that you're going to want to add to your wardrobe this summertime. All right, so as mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the women's exclusive Nike Dunk Low in the laser orange colorway. So this is an amazing summer colorway, so I can't wait to go through this overview. Then we're going to talk about size and fit. Of course, women's exclusive, so they'll be in women's sizing. Then we're going to dabble into styling. This is one of my go-to colorways, I feel like, for the summertime, so definitely stick around for that. Then we're going to conclude with how these are doing on the resale market, and they are literally killing it price point wise on the resale end of things. So definitely stick around to the end to hear about how these are doing. All right, now let's jump into it. This is a pop of color. Literally my eyes just open super wide every time I look at them. They're so bright. It literally matches actually some of the street signs perfectly. I mean, it is this bright pop of orange. It is a look at me, stop, you need to have this pair type of shoe. So definitely a unique color that I do not have in my sneaker collection currently. We're going to start with the front of the toe box, which is a nice clean white toe box. The frontal portion of that is in that laser orange color theme. Then as we work our way up, they went with the laser orange lace to really match. And I think that that pops off so nicely with this nylon white tongue. Again, we've got some nice subtle accents of that orange at the top here with a white embroidered Nike in swoosh. So let's take a quick sneak peek at those details before we move on to the side panels. All right, so moving on to the side panels, we've got some nice simple white leather underlays. The overlays are completed in the laser orange tone. So we've got it on that swoosh mark, which then wraps around to the heel portion of the shoe. We've got Nike embroidered in a crisp white color scheme. Wrapping around to the other side of the shoe, we've got, again, those white leather underlays, and again, that pop of laser orange overlays that complete the swoosh mark on the side panels. Working our way to the inside of the shoe, we've got, again, more pops of that laser orange on the insole, as well as the material that wraps around the collar of the sneaker. The shoe is then finished off in a crisp white midsole with a laser orange outsole. Let's take a last and final look at all of those last details. So moving on to size and fit of the Nike Dunk Lows in the women's exclusive version in the laser orange colorway. I'm a size 9 for women's. I stay true to size in my dunk. So definitely if you are a men's sizing, 7.5 is what is referred to as a size 9 in women's. So definitely I do tend to like to wear my shoes on a little bit of a bigger side. And I also tend to wear thicker socks with my sneakers. So that is why I do decide to kind of stick with the size 9. It works for me. Obviously, if you have flat, wider feet, this may differentiate, but I do have more narrow, high arch feet. So definitely decide what type of foot shape that you are before going and deciding on what your final size will be that will work best for you.
The other things I'd like to start doing, actually it's a lot more vlogs just because I think it's important that you know I'm not a YouTuber that just stays in my little office space where I shoot all day. I walk around my home with all of my sneakers. No, I'm a social human being. And now that quarantine is kind of loosening up, you guys are going to see me in my element. Whether it's eating food, drinking boba milk tea, or going shopping in different parts of New York, or just going on fun adventures. I'm gonna try and take all of you with me on my little adventures, showing you some style, shopping experiences, you name it. But we're making it happen here in the greatest city in the world.
New York. Now let's jump into styling. So much fun styling these shoes. This is just such a fun summery colorway, and I definitely think this is going to be one of the top color schemes for the summer. It's so unique, it's different, and it's an orange that I really haven't had in my collection currently. So I wanted to really bring the same laser orange accents throughout my different looks. So for the first look, I decided to have this laser orange crop top that I paired with some nice olive green cargo pants. And I feel like the cargo pants definitely took a backdrop, but that top really just pulled from the overlays of this laser orange color scheme on this shoe. Look, I decided to switch it up a little bit, and this time around I decided to wear this Murakami shirt, and the Murakami shirt actually has some hints of orange in it. It's a little different, but I wanted to switch the laser orange to the bottoms. So I found some sweatpants that actually match these shoes to a T. I think the matchy look with this laser orange is just phenomenal, and I think it's fire for the summertime. So I wanted to give you an option if you wanted to transfer that laser orange look from your top to your bottom. Last and final look, I decided to just take a different, lighter approach to this laser orange. So with the Madewell t-shirt that I wore there, it is still kind of a sherbet version, I think, of what this laser orange is, but I think it works and blends so well with it. And I just chose some nice, simple Nike biker shorts for the bottom portion. All right, you let me know out of the 3 looks, what was your favorite, or how would you style these shoes?
But I can't shake it. I can't get you off my mind. Don't understand it. Why can't I get away? Why can't I get away? Okay. Pull up at the job, let me show you the bitch. Your ex nigga, he a lame to that boy to quit. Yep, on the pick, I got a pound to pick. Your vibration is lit, I gotta get in the mix. She stay licking her lips, and she switching her hips. I gotta get a taste, how can I get away?
I can't shake it just like a dog in the heat. This feeling of mine probably resides deep as the sea. I'm leaving tomorrow morning, soon as the sun coming up. Drop my bags at the front door, screaming like what the fuck. I'm needing you now, not giving up now. Treat you like Valentine, taking this heart of mine for granted. Said we was never going down, now I'm singing on the Titanic. She said it's no need to panic, but
One of my favorite pizza spots And they have some of the best wood-fired pizza I've ever had. Take a bite of this. Really hot. Really hot. Like hot pizza on a hot day. So good. There's always a lot going on over here. Always a lot of people. When the fountain's turned on, people are usually in the fountain, but it looks like it's turned off today. Lots of musicians, always playing music. It is a hot day though to be sitting out here. I don't know how people are doing it. I don't know what's going on here, but dancing. I think this is some artistry dancing going on with paint. It is sweating off of that person. I'm filled with pizza right now. Time to walk it off. Headed to Boba Milk Tea. Nice shirt. Cactus Plant Flea Market. Not the day to be wearing it though. Thing's gotta be soaked. Nope. No indigenous fresh jewelry here. Nope. I know he thinks it'll be fresh for the blog, but it wasn't quite my style.
Now let's jump and conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So these shoes retailed at $100, which is always such a great, amazing price for the dunks. And currently, since this was a woman's exclusive, pretty limited on larger sizes, starting at the lower end, these are going for $225, and at the higher end, they are going for $370, which is basically paying more than double your price and maybe 3 times the price, depending on what size you may be looking for. But I do think that has to do with how great this colorway is for the season that we are currently in. All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks so much for tuning in to another video. If you were new here today, be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, as these do mean the world to the channel. Also, leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out our join button. We've got some great perks on there for our members, as well as an amazing merch store. For those of you who have not yet entered for the raffle that is going to be going live this Friday, be sure to head on over to both of my Instagrams, or all 3 of my Instagrams, and all of the rules are there, as well as on the community board if you're interested in potentially winning a pair of Yeezy Pure slides or a amazing just tie-dye blue Supreme Nerf gun. And I'm also giving away a LeBron Space Jam Edition Funko Pop. So be sure to make sure that you're checking all of those rules in order to be eligible this Friday. But I look forward to seeing you all on that live and giving away some prizes just to celebrate our growth that we've had in this first year of being ShadeTV. All right, that's it for this episode. Be sure to catch us on the next one. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will see you later.